Today we're going to discuss how maturation affects internal validity. Now, before we go over that, we're going to discuss what actually is internal validity. Internal validity is the degree of effects of outside sources on the dependent variable. Now, for example, in a perfect study, the only thing affecting the dependent variable should be the independent variable. However, in the real world, there are a variety of threats to internal validity. One threat is maturation. Now, for example, in a study done, how the number of hours spent studying affect test scores. Now, in a perfect study, the only thing affecting the test scores would be the amount of hours spent studying. But we as students know more goes into the test scores than the amount of hours we spent studying. Let's say, for example, in a class, we take a test. We don't do well. Some time passes and we take the test again. Now, the second time we take the test, we've matured. Time has passed. We're less nervous for the test because we know what to expect. We better understand the material. We know the way the teacher poses the questions, and we know how to better manage our time during the timed test. Now, all those factors have nothing to do with the amount of hours we've spent studying. So, in this case, all those variables would affect the test score. So that's an example of maturation and how it affects internal validity.